Welcome back, YouTube. As you can see, I'm not on my VR today. So what I'm actually going to be doing today is my RC car right here. This RC car, I got this recently, and I built this whole ramp. Like, if I just, can I flip this camera? I can't flip it. If y'all just look, y'all see the little ramp right there? Yeah, so I built the little ramp, and I'm gonna be showing you the jump from the RC car. Should I make it on the other side? I'm gonna make it on the other side. So building, I don't have a tripod, so I'm just building a kind of, maybe I'll make like an edit of like, the jumping, of the car jumping. Maybe, but, I'm gonna make it look like a tripod right now. Okay, I think I got it right here. You see that? And don't mind my living room. It's kind of a mess right now. Okay, so we got a thing right here. Okay, just gonna set everything up. This is a test one, okay? This is a test. Okay. Jump scare! Oh man, it didn't work. Wait, I just moved. I moved the camera with the RC camera. I think I can remove this. Wait, it's being unrooted. Stop. Drive back around. Okay, you guys ready? 3, 2, 1. Wait, it was kind of gnarly. Oh, that's all right. Oh, no idea what's happening right now. Okay, sorry for doing that. Okay. Okay. Move the camera back. I need a steadier camera. I need a steadier freaking camera. Okay. One more time. One more time. 3. I'm not. 3, 2, 1. Bam! I just teleported. How do you feel about that? Wait, I'm gonna try to do donuts. Donuts does not work. Okay. The next thing we're gonna be doing is running over stuff. We're gonna run over some stuff. Yeah, I really like Crocs. I'm gonna run over some of my Crocs. We're just gonna see what happens. I missed. Push it. Push the Croc. Yeah. I pushed it out of camera. Croc. No, you just got hit with the Croc. Wait, I think I've just Guys, what do you think's gonna happen, guys? Okay, we got the whole area now. We got the whole area, thank goodness. Okay, we're gonna time it now. So I'm gonna put like the time of how long it was when I edit this. It's taking way too long. Okay, hold up. Barrel roll. Another barrel roll. Car. Right here. See how long it takes to get to the camera. Okay. Okay. We're gonna go. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, and it's gonna go. Okay. 1. Where's the camera? It's up here. 1, 2, 3. Damn it. Died. Okay, it's back on. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Go! Hit my knee. Okay, restart. Second try. You guys ready? Okay, 3, 2, 1. I hit the ramp. Full speed at the camera. No, the camera. Okay. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to see more videos with my RC car, if you like my RC car. Oh, here's a trick I can do with an RC car. Backwards. Okay. Okay. 7 minutes already? Okay, this is 7 minutes into the video. This is definitely gonna be a long video. Hope you guys like my video. I hope you guys like my video. This is the outro. Okay, bye. Y'all ever watch Yub? Like, oh, sorry, I didn't cut the video. But y'all ever watch Yub? Like the YouTuber? If you're not, he's an awesome dude. You should go watch him. Yeah. And at the end of his videos, he's like, have a bye 5. And then he covers the camera and then it ends. Should I do that? Okay. Have a bye 5.